Welcome to my kitchen again, and today I'm going to make roti. Roti is an Indian bread that is usually flat. Stay tuned as I prepare. For the ingredients, I have wheat flour, salt, oil, and warm water. First of all, I'm going to put salt in the wheat flour. Just put a pinch of salt. Then I put little oil. Just little. Then you add your warm water, little by little as you knead the dough. Let the dough not be very soft and not very hard. Knead until it doesn't stick on your hand and on your bowl. You can use Atamak. Atamak is the best, but me, I'm using the white wheat flour. I transfer it on my surface. Continue kneading. Then you cover it, let it set for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I check. It should be very soft as you need. The upper surface should be very smooth, as you can see mine. Then you make sure your pan is on heat. I'll divide it into small pieces. Fold in, make a small ball. You dust your surface and then you roll into a very thin circle. Make sure it's very thin. Then you put on your pan, let it cook one side. Then you turn when one side is cooked, like I've done. When it's cooked both sides, you now put on your burner, let it puff, as you can see. Do the same to the rest. As you can see, this is my end product, roti. This is my end product, roti. You can serve it with anything, any stew, and you can also eat it with breakfast. Continue viewing my YouTube channel for more recipes. Bon appetit! You can try it anytime.